In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fork in Replit. If you're new to Replit, or just want a more efficient way to create your own version of an existing REPL, forking, or as Replit calls it, remixing, is a fantastic way to start. This process allows you to take an existing project and create a separate copy in your own account, giving you the freedom to edit, modify, and even share it as you see fit. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Replit dashboard and locate the particular REPL you want to work with. Once you're on the dashboard, you should see a list of your projects. Simply find the project you have in mind. Beside that project, you'll notice a handy little icon featuring 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu offers several options related to managing your REPL. From the options presented, you'll see Remix listed right there. Go ahead and click on the Remix button. What happens next is that Replit starts working its magic behind the scenes. The platform will create a new instance of the REPL and add it to your account. This is a seamless process and usually takes just a few seconds, so hang tight. In no time, you'll have a new REPL added to your account that is an exact copy of the original. Now that your new REPL is ready, the fun part begins. You can edit this copy just like you would with any other REPL. Feel free to dive into the code, make changes, test new features, or experiment with different coding approaches. It's your own little sandbox to play in. Another great feature of this process is that you can run your newly forked REPL to see how it performs with your changes, and this is done completely independently of the original REPL. Additionally, this new REPL is part of your own account, which means you have complete control over it. You can even share this version with others if you want to collaborate or get feedback. Replit makes sharing super easy, providing you with a unique link so you can effortlessly invite others to view or even co-edit if you're into collaborative coding sessions. And there you have it. You've successfully forked a REPL in Replit. By creating this remix, you're not just copying code. You're opening up a whole new realm of possibilities to customize, improve, and innovate existing projects. This simple yet powerful tool of forking allows you to explore and experiment without any limitations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to explore more tutorials to enhance your Replit experience. Happy coding!